You're gonna miss me when I go. Can I get water?
Water? You don't want drink? You don't want?
I'm done. Okay, water. Can you open the door for me?
Yes. I'll have some pop then. Yeah, you guys can all go in. I got some more pop in there anyway.
No.
I got bunch.
This for free over here. This too free. Oh. We have lots of pop.
Jay, you can leave that there.
I'm taking one.
Open it. They're gonna get in trouble.
Thank you.
Oops.
Thank you, sis. I can't even hear you. You gotta talk.
Oh yeah.
Mine is water.
Should I close the door now?
See, look.
Oh, that's what you wanted to show, Grandpa.
And then you drink it.
That orange juice?
No, it's watermelon and it's
Watch it, don't spill it.
Good.
Don't read that junk.
This one sounds good.
Okay, that's it. That's enough for movie time. Movie time.
Hit the left, then my finish.
Okay.
There.
Oh yeah. What about your finishing move, Tyler? What's your finishing move?
Give me one.
That's your finishing move?
This is my finishing move.
That's it?
No. This
Come
is it.
on.
This is my
Okay, show Brady your finishing move. Oh yeah. Okay.
Now I'll finish this first. This time. Did your hand sit on the wall?
Tanish could do it. Okay, Tanish, show her.
Easy! Easy! Look it! Look!
Wow. Can you do that, Tanish?
Yeah, of course.
Well, let's see then. Prove it. Come on. Talk is cheap. Come on.
I start to do that the next day.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Just put when you go up, just put your feet there right away.
Good luck, Charlie. Done.
I'm not done yet. Well, I gotta.
No.
Okay. Okay. All the way. Yeah, like that. All the way. Down. Handstand. Yeah. Is this Superman? Is that your finishing move? Oh yeah, Superman. Okay, we're shut it off now.
The second no.
That's it?
Good luck, Charlie.